Hi, my name is Alejandra. This week I will be performing an acid-base experiment. So this week in lectures we learned that a Bronsted acid is a proton donor and a Bronsted base is a proton acceptor. So for this week's experiment you will need a water bottle, some baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, vinegar, which will act as our acetic acid, and a paper towel. It will be messy, so I brought a plate to try to catch some of the mess, and I'm doing it outside as well. So what you'll be seeing in this reaction is basically a weak acid, which is my vinegar, and a weak base, which is my baking soda, interacting together to cause a volcano. So the sodium bicarbonate is going to be the one acting as my weak base, and this one will be my weak acid. First, I will be putting some baking soda into this paper towel. So I would put a pretty good amount. I'm gonna zoom in and see about how much I got going there. Then you're gonna wrap it up in this paper towel. Enough so it fits inside of the water bottle. Okay, so like this. Then you will place it inside the water bottle. Let me thin it out a little bit first. Okay, I was able to thin it out, make sure it fits. So just want to place it inside like this. Then I will put some vinegar into the water bottle, but I forgot a funnel, so I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I brought a funnel. We'll make putting some of the vinegar, in this case the acetic acid, into the water bottle. So it might get messy, so I will try to keep it a bit away from me. The goal is to try to see a reaction, so in that case it'll be some bubbles forming, which will be the carbon dioxide coming out of the acid-base reaction. Had to shake it a little bit because the paper towel is a little thick, so I think it takes a while for it to absorb. So as you can see, these bubbles right here are the carbon dioxide in the acid-base reaction. I'm gonna add more vinegar, see if there's more of a reaction. So I'm going to be repeating the experiment once again with a thinner layer of paper towel so we can get a quicker reaction and the interaction between the base and the acid. So once again, I'm going to take the sodium bicarbonate. So I'm going to try to add a little more. This is about how much I'm going to use. I'm going to wrap it up like this. Trying to hold it off so it doesn't fall as I'm putting it inside of the water bottle. Here. Let me tighten this up a little bit. There we go. Dropping this like this. And now I will add the vinegar, which is our weak acid, to wait for the reaction. Once again, those are the carbon dioxide bubbles that are being caused by the sodium bicarbonate and vinegar. So as you can see, I performed it twice. The first time, the paper towel was a little bit thicker, so I believe that it just took a little longer to react. But the second time I also added more sodium bicarbonate and a thinner paper towel so it would react a lot faster. So now that we've seen the reaction, I was going to explain a little bit deeper into what happened chemically. So here is the balanced chemical equation for the experiment. So we had sodium bicarbonate, our weak base, which is the baking soda, plus the acetic acid, which is the vinegar, or our reactants. So once they reacted, we produced this down here, which is the carbon dioxide, which was the bubbles we saw, which are kind of gone now, but you could see them, plus the water, and then the sodium cation and an acetate anion. So when they reacted, the base accepted a proton from the acetic acid, and that is how we came up with the final reaction and the products of this chemical equation. Thank you.